Hello, our viewers. Good morning. This is C9 Tech. I want to say thank you for those of you watching our channel and also subscribing and share if possible. Thank you very much. Today, I want to teach you how to separate iPhone 7 Plus front glass. As you can see it now, the glass is totally broken. You can see all the glass is broken. So we are going to work on it and we are going to change it. Stay tuned. Don't touch that. Thank you very much. In this baking process, well, after you might have removed the tray, so what you need to do to be able to remove this iron, these two irons side by side, so you need to cut this side, this edge, and also cut this edge. There's a rubber there. Then you come here as well, cut this edge. Then also you cut this edge. So you can see here has removed already, so you don't have any issue with this. You understand? All your aim is to remove these two irons, this side and this side. So as we do this now, we want to test it and see the condition of the screen. Okay, you can see it's very perfect. You know, some people, once they see that their screen is having crack on the glass, they see it as if it's a major problem, but that is not. That is absolutely not. The glass can be changed. The glass has nothing to do with touch. The glass can easily be changed. So you can see this, the up one is already gone, it's broken, but it does not have any effect on the LCD. So all what we need is to see that the inner screen is in perfect condition. So stay tuned as we proceed. Okay, now it's hot. So this is the process. Look at the iron here. You hold it from this side, drag it back. That's it. So this one has removed. So also this one, drag it down. So we are still going to test it to see whether it's still in perfect condition. So you can see it is still in perfect condition. So now we proceed in separation. So what I want to guide you through now, you know, this is the actual play that used to give people problem in separation. Now, as you can see, if you compare this and this, you can see from this side is all removed. Why? Because of the crack. The crack is much that this one now is not there. So it cannot guide you through where you're supposed to, you know, like put your separation cable. So what you need to do, you need to apply a handwork. We call this one handwork. So how do you do that? You take your separation, cable, everything is going to be in your hand. So you can start from here. come to this side as well. Okay, the rubber is still there. We have a small rubber here which we need to remove. Okay, our viewers, now the stage that we are going to go in now is cleaning. We are going to remove this gum as to put another glass in. So stay tuned. Okay, our viewers, you can see now from the beginning to the ending of iPhone 7 Plus glass replacement. So thank you very much. Do watch, subscribe. Please, I need you to subscribe, share C9 Tech. Thank you very much. So see you next for our next video. Thank you very much.